Hey guys, what's up? It is 100% here, and today, guys, I have a question to ask all of you. Is this a toy or is it a squishy? It's a squishy. Hey guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, so what's up, guys? 100% here, and yeah, I'll be reviewing the brand new Yoshi. The freak? What? Help me. I'm sorry. I said freaking Yoshi. Okay, anyway. Yeah. Kirby Star Allies Squishy. And I actually never knew they had squishies like this. And since I'm doing a video and I'm reviewing about some squishies, I will be reviewing a brand new Five Nights at Freddy's squishies. So yeah. So sorry guys, this is a very short video, and I haven't really made any gaming videos or something, but I will do some funny videos and stuff with like my friends and stuff. And here's a hint for one of my videos. My friend playing Fortnite. Yeah, that's one of the hints. Okay, yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this squishy review. Wait, it's not over. We have to test out how good this squishy is. And what I mean by, can it survive this? 1 second. My God. Yes, it can. Can it survive this? Wait. This times. What else can we do with that? A basketball. Times this. Dang it. Times, what about a Mario? Can a squishy survive that? Plus, okay, let's see what it looks like. Wow, this is actually a decent squishy. Can it survive this? No. Guess not.